Here's what you'll need for a delicious way to do salmon. Some salmon, of course, 3 or 4 garlic cloves, some milk, or if you're not bothered about calories you can use cream, some char-grilled peppers. These are freely available nowadays. These ones are from Aldi, for instance. Some Parmesan, or the shop's own, as I've got. As much or as little chili flakes as you'd like, and some baby spinach. First thing we're going to do, season your salmon with some salt and black pepper. So into said pan we're going with a glug of vegetable oil, and then we're going to cook your salmon fillets flesh side down first, and we're going to give them about 5 minutes on either side. On the fleshy side has had 5 minutes, time to flip it over, and then we're going to crisp up the skin side. When they've had a few minutes either side, time to take them out, put them on a plate and let them rest. With your fillets resting, empty your pan of any excess oil and then go in with a small knob of butter, and then into there with your crushed garlic, and just give that 30 seconds to heat through. When they've had 30 seconds, time to go in with your char-grilled peppers. I've done them in little slices, but obviously chop them up how you want. And then just give them a couple of minutes to heat through. When your peppers have had a minute or two, it's time to chop up your spinach, and in that goes. Then we're just going to heat that through until your spinach wilts down. When your spinach has wilted down, time to go in with a bit more salt and pepper seasoning, chili flakes, your Parmesan, and then cream if you're using it, or milk in my case. I've put a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch in there just to help your sauce thicken up. And then back into there with your salmon fillets, and we're just going to let that simmer away for a few minutes. Once your sauce has thickened up nicely, the only thing left to do is serve it with whatever accompaniment you want and get stuck in.